everyone. Yes, we are going to be doing tutorial programming while loop the activity number 1. So let's get started. In this in this video, we're going to be creating a game called rock paper scissors. Yes, it can also be done on computers with while loop. So let's get coding. First of all, we're going to import the random library. Make while is equal to true. So while equal to true. So while is equal to true, then user is going to be equal to input enter choice. So the user, the computer is going to ask the user to enter a choice, either R, P, or S, means rock, paper, or scissors. Now computer is going to get a random choice from RPS and print that you choose one, like you choose rock or something, and computer choose something. Like, because we don't know yet, so computer might choose paper and we chose scissors, just like that. So now we're gonna do the if condition. So if user is equal to computer, then both players selected paper. It's a tie. So then we're gonna elif user R and computer S, then rock smashes scissors, you win. Now else, if paper covers rock, you lose. So if elif user P and computer is R, then paper covers rock. Else, then scissors cut paper. So if it's the opposite, then scissors cuts paper. So we lose. Now if user is scissors and computer is paper, scissors cuts paper or rock smashes scissors. You lose, just like that. So now if you want to play again, there's the option Y or no. If play again is not equal to Y, then we're going to print game exit and break. So you guys run this code and tell me what were your outputs. How many times did you win? So guys, this is all for today. Stay tuned for activity number 2, which is a treasure hunt game. I'll see you then.